Hi everybody, it's the Grateful Guy, and I'm going to do a quick little tabletop review of this Fenix GL19R. This is the version 2. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing and I'll be right back. Okay, it's all unboxed. Here's the Fenix GL19R version 2. And let me just run through a couple of specs before I mount this to my pistol here. This has an output of 1200 lumens, a runtime of 55 minutes, a distance of 420 meters. The intensity is 44,300 candela, an impact resistance of 1 meter, and it's waterproof to IP66. So that should take care of most of your civilian needs. Anyways, if you know anything about Fenix lighting, they make some wonderful products. They just scream quality, and this is no different. It's really well made. It has a nice weight to it. It's made out of a aircraft aluminum. It has a QD arm here to lock it in and quick and easy removal and installation. It runs on rechargeable USB-C, which is easily found by many people. Everyone has this kind of charger. It has 2 pressure-sensitive switches in the back that are very, very easy to toggle on and off. So without any further ado, let's try to lock this in. Oh, by the way, it comes with 2 different rail plates. This one is for a Glock, and it also has a Picatinny rail plate. I'm thinking this might be the wrong one, but for demonstration purposes, I'm sure this will fit on. So let's go. First off, this is my nightstand gun, the M&P 45 compact. At the moment, there's no, I don't have the proper holster that would be able to holster this, so this wouldn't be something I'd carry on outside. This is something for a home defense scenario. So let's first just make sure that this weapon is clear. Let's see, there's the magazine. And let's check there. There you go. There's nothing down in the chamber, and there's nothing down the barrel. Make sure. Okay. So this is all safe now, and this is a great pistol, by the way. It came with a trigger that was a little bit stiff. I live in Massachusetts, and they have more rules than anywhere else in firearm safety. But with the addition of the Apex trigger kit, this thing is really light, and it's a tack driver. But that's another story. So here's the way you do this. As far as most guns that run on a rail, you kind of slide this on to a comfortable position, and you squash that lever down, the QD lever. I could tell right now that this isn't the proper one for this, but for demonstration purposes, I'm sure it'll be fine. So there you go. It's very handsome looking on the weapon. It doesn't add tremendous amount of weight. Okay, let's see how it toggles. Whoa, beautiful. Very high intensity beam that if I shoot it across the room or at my door, it really is illuminating everything in its path. So there you go. Well, this is just a quick little overview of this. I haven't taken it out to the range yet. This is the first time even unboxing it. And like I said, it comes with the tools and the extra plate and extra O-ring. A couple of extra switches, so in case you break it. Really, and another cap for the USB-C charger. It comes with a USB charging wire. Really everything you need to get started with this. Once again, the Fenix GL19R version 2. And if you didn't know, I'm the Grateful Guy. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow me on YouTube and Instagram. Thank you very much, and have a safe and happy New Year.